Hi, my name is Amy King, and I'm a speech-language pathologist. Autism is a word and a diagnosis that as a community we're hearing more and more about. Hopefully we can provide you with some information about autism and some additional resources. So what is autism? According to the American Speech Language and Hearing Association, autism is a developmental disability that primarily affects social skills and communication. It can range from mild to severe and typically does not look the same from one individual to the next. Many parents want to know, how is autism diagnosed, or who diagnoses autism? Because delays in communication are a primary sign of autism, a speech-language pathologist is typically an integral part of the evaluation team. Although a speech-language pathologist can diagnose autism, it is best practice and recommended by ASHA that a multidisciplinary team be used when evaluating a child to determine a diagnosis of autism. That multidisciplinary team could consist of a neurologist, a pediatrician, a speech-language pathologist, a developmental psychologist, an occupational therapist, or a physical therapist. For signs and symptoms of autism, if you click below on our website, you'll see some additional links with signs and symptoms. But a few key signs and symptoms of autism are limited speech, no speech at all, a child who is no longer using words that they were previously using, a child who seems to have good hearing but is not able to follow through with directions, unusual interests in objects or topics, hand flapping or other unusual movements like rocking, and limited eye contact with individuals or objects. With regards to speech and language treatment for children with autism, it varies and may not necessarily look the same for one person with autism and another child with autism. It is usually kind of a combined approach. It may use speech and language, traditional speech and language treatment, augmentative and alternative communication, and other behavioral interventions. We hope that we've provided you with some good information. Here at Child Language and Developmental Speech, we are here to screen, evaluate, and treat your child in the home, the school, or the clinic.